Hi YouTube, this is the Mongoose Mode 540 bike check. To start out, I've removed the Mongoose Mode 540 stickers. I have, start up at the bars, I have red Odyseey flangless grips, a Kink bikes stem. This is off the Whip Hamlin. I have a Eastern Bikes brake lever. It is the two-piece brake lever. I have a red brake cable. I have the front rim is a Weinmann rim. It has, I don't know if this is aftermarket on it, a chauffing hub. You can't see that. Here. Chauffing. I think that's aftermarket, I don't know. I have valve sleeves and valve covers that are chrome. Now to get to the back section of the bike, I have Odyseey Smokin' Strawberry pedals, a red KMC chain that's half red, half chrome. I have two tires that are not the same. This is a Bell tire, and the front is a different Mongoose tire that my friend gave me for free. I love the bike, it's great. I also have a Haro sprocket. The hub sound is fairly loud. My We the People is a lot louder. This bike has small bolts in the back and the front, rather than the We the People having the front and the back, or well, the back large and the front small. I love this bike. It is a 2012 Mongoose Mode 540. Yeah, I've had a great time building it, and yeah, see ya.